Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Measure from the high point of the sill of your window, the surface closest to the inside of the window, to the top of the window opening. Make 3 measurements, one at the left side, one at the center and one at the right side of the window. Use the smallest of these 3 height measurements to order the window. 20 December 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Place your screen on a workbench or any flat surface. Next, use a standard tape measure to measure the width of your screen, left to right. Using your tape measure, let's measure the screen's height by measuring from the bottom to the top. Make sure to measure your screen from the exterior of the frame.
Take our lead.
A window size notation is basically width and height combined. The first 2 #s are for width and the second 2 #s are for height. A 2426 replacement window would have a width of 2 feet 4 inches and height of 2 feet 6 inches.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.